What's up, guys? We're here at the Printing United Expo in Orlando, Florida. With me today is Buck from ROQ. How's it going, Buck?
It's going good. First day. Seems like it's starting to pick up, but yeah, we're excited.
Buck, over the last 3 years, we've started seeing these carousel heat presses come out more and more. And ROQ was kind of the first to really start automating the
100%.
process. Last year, we were having fun making a video on this. The year prior, we had kind of a mini version. And the big thing I'm seeing out there is, okay, at what point do I buy a rotary heat press? And to me, it's the automation, but not all of them are as automated as this press, right,
Yes,
Buck?
100%. I mean, if you didn't have the automation on this machine, you're looking at a minimum of 3 people, possibly 4 if you're hitting those high production numbers, in order to pull the garment. So you'd have a loader, an unloader, a peeler, and a placer of the transfer. So that's a lot of people. Right now, with the cost of labor, it only makes sense to do the automation on this.
Yeah, otherwise, I tell people, whip out the CSV, see how many presses you can do an hour with a rotary, but how many people are using it?
Exactly.
Versus sometimes 3, shuttle presses may make more sense for that business if they're not going to go full automation here.
Possibly. I mean, there's ways around it that you could get this down to 2 people, but you're going to slow the process down. It's still going to be faster than the shuttle presses, but with this, you add the automation. Each one of the automations are anywhere between $20,000 to $25,000. It's not calling in sick. It's there every single day. It's placing the transfer in the same exact spot every single time. And you're talking $20,000. What does it cost you for that employee to sit there and just peel or place the transfer? It just does not make sense.
Buck, 5 years ago, would you ever thought, you know what we're going to be selling? Rotary heat presses.
No, I would have never thought this, but you can see that that is the way that things are going. We've got digital, we've got DTF, and we've got screen. I think all 3 of those are here to stay. And you're just going to see everything evolve, and everything's just going to get better, but all 3 will stay.
But the big keyword, I mean, there's many keywords over the last 5 years, DTF being one, automation, AI.
Yes.
Those are the ones I'm hearing like all the time. So for those who don't know, rotary press like this, you're going to typically have, what, 2 to 3 heating elements.
Yep.
I'm a pre-presser.
Yep, on this one, we've got pre-press. We have 2 heat presses applying the transfer, and then we have a post-press after the peel.
4.
So a total of 4. We also have another model which has 5 heat presses. You have pre-press, you have post-press, you have 2 heat presses that are applying the transfer. After that, we have a hybrid. This is patent pending. It's the only one that I know of. It can be either hot or cold. So now, if it's hot, between 3 heat presses, I'm dividing my fixation time. So if it's 15 seconds, I'm doing 5, 5, and 5 to be able to hit those high production numbers. Or it could be a cold press to where I'm able to do cold peel at high production numbers.
Say high production numbers. What's a high production output as far as pieces per hour?
For the cold peel, I'm going around 400 plus. With the hot peel, you're over 500 pieces an hour with 1 operator.
With 1 operator being the key there.
That is correct.
Because all of a sudden you say 500 pieces, by the way, there's going to be 4 operators running the thing.
Yeah,
it's not the same ROI.
No, it is not.
So the biggest thing we've seen change over the past couple of years when we've stopped by the ROQ booth and seen this Impress is the automatic takeoff. So can you just talk a little bit about this?
Yeah, so the automatic takeoff, before we had it was just called the pull. And it would pull the garment off and it would stack it on a platform. Now what we've done is you would still need an operator to go remove the garments from that platform. Now we've created the Pull Plus, so I can choose the stack of shirts I want, whether it's 1 or 6 or 12, whatever it is. It's going to pull it, it's going to stack it on this delivery device, rotate over and put it on this conveyor belt, and you can see how well these are stacked.
Could we put an inline bagger at the end of it somehow?
We're working on that. You know,
it's automation.
It's going to go straight from this onto your folding line, full bag tag, out the door, ready to go to your customer.
We've seen some pretty cool inline ROQ machines with those. So I'm just like, oh, what's next?
Yes, I mean, ideally it's all automation. You even get rid of the loader. That's going to be a Elon Musk robot at some point.
Yeah, right? You're right. I mean, why not?
Yeah.
One thing I love that you guys are doing too is you're going on a hooded sweatshirt.
Yep.
I like to see a booth that challenges themselves. I want you to go in a difficult location, material.
Yeah, and we
it's not
do.
A t-shirt.
I mean, this machine can do bags, lunch pails, all sorts of different applications, to where if you're applying a transfer, there's a good chance that we've got a solution for you, custom pallets, whatever it is, to be able to hit high production numbers and no longer be using the clamshell heat press.
Can you give us a ballpark cost for the whole
This
setup?
one is around 130, 135. That's install, training, 3-year warranty, and that's parts, labor, travel. You're not coming out a penny for those 3 years. Compare that to some of the other manufacturers. You're lucky if you get a year of parts. You're going to have to pay a tech to come out and repair it or whatever. All of the technology that you see here, we're using on all of our other machines, whether it's the ROQ Now heat presses, these pallet arms, they're based on our carousel screen printing presses. We're using technology that we know works on this, and that's how we can offer such a good warranty.
ROQ's got a great reputation to keep up holding. I mean,
yes.
And automation being the key. We've made some cool videos on your bagging and tagging. Buck, where can our viewers go to learn more about the ROQ lineup of equipment?
We've got ROQ.us. We've got all of our social medias. If you search ROQ US, hit us up on any of those and we'll be able to get you guys information.
Awesome. Well, guys, check out ROQ's lineup of screen printing and other equipment like this Impress carousel heat press. You guys are always pushing the envelope.
Yep.
Thank you so much, Buck,
You're
for your
welcome,
time.
man.
Guys, check out ROQ.
Thank you.